afternoon. This is Sanjay Agarwal. So we are at the Global Bio. This is a summit which is happening at the Bharat Mandapam. This is hall number 5. Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Minister of Science and Technology, the Principal Scientific Advisor, Ajay Sood, and the DG CSR. Everybody was here in the morning to inaugurate the session. So we have these youngsters. They are from Mobi Lab, and Mobi Lab is based out of Guwahati. Yeah, so come. So you will introduce yourself, and you'll talk about your startup, your founder, and everything.
Okay. So hi, good afternoon. I am Ritu Neka, a part of this startup. We are based out of IIT Guwahati. We are incubated in IIT Guwahati, and we have our R&D office in IIT Guwahati and corporate office in Noida. So the startup we are building is a portable biochemistry analyzer in which you can do about 22 to 25 parameters in about 30 to 35 minutes for a single patient. So we are targeting the rural areas where there are no lab setups and everything is not there, proper infrastructure is not there. So we have this, you can see the base case where you can just take it anywhere and do the test and come back. So places like there are no connectivity, bad communication is there, so we can just carry this case and do the test and come back. So currently we're working with startups, other startups, and also trying to work in the government and Indian Army also working with. So like that we are going into the market, and we have started our startup in 2018 only.
And who's the founder and what is his background?
Sahil Jagnani is the founder.
He's from IIT?
He's from IIT Guwahati, passed out from IIT Guwahati, BTech Chemical Engineering.
And yourself you can introduce, and you can introduce your lab guy also.
So I am Ritu Neka. I did my engineering in the field of biomedical engineering from Nehu, Shillong, and I have along with me Arsh Safi. He is a lab technician.
Wonderful. We'll also get him in the frame. You can come here. Please come. Yes, come. So we'll just take a break with you.
Sure.
We'll come here. Hi. So we have Sahil and we have this young group of students who've come in from Galgotias. They are based out of Noida, and they are very excited to be here.
Yes.
So you can introduce yourself. Which years are you studying?
Sir, my name is Sahil Chauhan, and I am from BSc Medical Biotech, second year, third sem, and I am also from BSIG group, which is having a full form of Bio Sustainability Innovation Guild. In this group, sir, we do the patent file, and the Galgotia University, I think it has the ranking of 5 or 7 in India for patenting files.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So who are your professors? Unka bhi naam bata.
Sir, we have the professor of Gaurav sir, which helps us in all the condition. Sir, he motivates in all the sections and gives you the opportunity to improve yourself and to give your best in this.
Okay.
Yes,
so you
sir.
have your friend.
Yes, sir.
You can take the mic and introduce yourself.
Hello, myself Tanya, and I'm from same Galgotias University, and I'm doing same group.
Okay, wonderful. So we were, when we just met you, so you were here in this zone where you were visiting advanced bionic limbs, and you've seen this product?
सर we were मतलब सर ये मैंने देख रखा है वहाँ पे हमारे कॉलेज में है सर ये.
So what do you feel like these youngsters, people who do from IT engineering background or even diploma holders, they're doing a lot of things under the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision. तो आपको क्या लग रहा है इनको सबको देख के?
सर कि इंडिया हमारा आगे जा रहा है और आप ग्रोन अप हो रहा है सर, और इससे हमें बहुत सारा बेनिफिट है सर. वैसे हमें पहले वैक्सीन बनवानी पड़ती थी तो हम बाहर से करते थे, बट सर आज के जनरेशन में यहीं से सर वैक्सीन हम यहाँ से अपना डेवलप कर सकते हैं सर.
Wonderful. So what are your plans for the future?
सर to give our company मतलब give our India best sir.
आप क्या बनना चाह रहे हैं?
Sir, I want to be a scientist or research center.
Okay. ISRO.
Yes sir. No sir, researching sir new things or vaccines development.
And where do you want to be? And your name?
Myself Tanya, and
Where do you want to be seen in 10 years from now?
I just want to give my best in a biotechnology field or researcher field. We are seeing these people, and like they are really motivating us to do something for our India, for our country, and it's basically like people go outside abroad to study and to do researches and all.
You want to go out of India?
I want to.
Which country you want to go?
I was thinking about going Australia.
So why?
Basically, my
Sydney.
uncle, yes, Sydney. My uncle is there, and he knows a friend in research lab, and from there I got the interest from doing research them.
Search a groom for you in Australia, so you would come back to India. Anyway, thank you both of you, and I just request you to take hold of this camera so we can have the gentleman here. Can you just shoot? Please come. Thank you. He's fine. Yes. So we have this young group of students who are coming here. So now this project, how are you scaling it up?
So currently we are trying to reach as many parts of India we want to. We are working with other startups also. Together we are coming together and giving a complete solution. For example, there are a few startups that provide teleconsultancy and telemedicine solutions, and they do not have the testing part. So we combine with them and provide a complete solution that where you can directly connect with a doctor through telecommunication, and on that test only after diagnosis the doctor will prescribe your test, and through our device you can do the test, and in hand only doctor will get the report and he can check and do further analysis.
Right. This kit would be any price?
Yeah,
How much does it?
currently the MRP is kept around 1.25 lakhs,
Okay.
but different discounts and also available
Right.
depending on
So
quantity.
is
and
it being
everything.
used in the field right
Yes,
now?
it is being used in the
Okay.
field.
How many?
Around
which all?
50 to 60 devices we have deployed all over India.
Okay.
So many startups, then clinics. There are few example. If I give you in Saharanpur, UP, in the Gango, it is a near village in the Saharanpur district only of UP. So
Right.
there are 1-2 clinics that are using this device, and they are quite happy with the solution, because before it was like they had to take the collect the sample, then give it to a nearby city lab. They had to carry it.
No, it's done on the.
Yeah, on the spot only in his area, in his locality, he can do the test and give the report in a day only.
Wonderful.
In 30 minutes, he can give the report. And
Thank you. So we wish you all the best, and we want anybody who's viewing this can come to this Prakriti Maidan Hall number 5.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is Sanjay Agarwal. Bye. Take my number.
yeah, sure.